Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the permittivity of a medium. From Coulomb's law, we can write down the force experienced by point charge when they are separated by a distance r. If I want to write the electric field at a particular point due to a point charge, then it is given by this expression. Now in both these expressions, there is a constant. This constant is called permittivity of free space. Now if I replace the vacuum medium with another medium, let's say water, then we have to replace epsilon naught by the permittivity of water. Now as I change from one medium to another medium, the only quantity which is changing, it is the permittivity of that medium. Now the question is, what does permittivity of a medium represents? And that is what we are going to discuss in this video. Let us take a point charge Q1 and let's say there is another point charge Q2 at a distance r. Now Q2 will experience a force due to Q1. And how much force? That is given by the Coulomb's law. But the question is, why it is experiencing a force due to Q1? Now let us remove the charge Q2 and denote the point as P. Now at this point P, the presence of Q1 is quantified by electric field and the expression is given by this. Now if I bring back the charge Q2, then this Q2 is kept in the electric field of Q1. So because of this electric field, it will instantly experience a force. And the force is given by Q2 into the electric field. So in summary, Q2 is experiencing a force due to Q1 because it is kept in the electric field of Q1. Now let us write down the expression of the electric field for this system. If it is placed in a vacuum, then the expression is given by this. Now if it is placed in a water medium, then the expression of the electric field is given by this. If I take the ratio between these two, then we get this. Now from this expression, we can see that the strength of the electric field is depending on the permittivity of the medium. Now let us take the same system and place the same system in two different mediums. In medium 1, the permittivity is epsilon 1, and in medium 2, the permittivity is epsilon 2. The electric field in medium 1 is given by this. The electric field in medium 2 is given by this. Now in both this expression, Q1, R square and 4 pi are the same. So we can say that the electric fields are inversely proportional to the permittivity of their respective medium. In summary, we can say the electric field is inversely proportional to the permittivity of the medium. That means greater the permittivity, lesser the field. There is one more concept which I want to explain here. Suppose we have a plus Q charge and let's say the charge is positive. So electric field will be coming out from the charge. Now if I consider 2 points, point P and point Q. Now without doing the maths, if I want to say something about the strength of field at point P and point Q, then we can use this concept. The electric field line's density is directly proportional to the electric field strength. And if you compare this point P and point Q, we can see that at point P, the electric field lines are more denser compared to point Q. So we can straight away say that electric field at point P is greater than the electric field at point Q. Now let us use all the concepts which you have learned till now to finally understand what is permittivity. Let us take two systems here and place a medium in front of them. In first, it's the medium 1 with permittivity epsilon 1, and in the second, it's with permittivity epsilon 2. Let us assume that epsilon 1 is greater than epsilon 2. Let us consider a point in each case is point P, which is at equal distance from the charge Q. Now we already know that the electric field is inversely proportional to the permittivity. Since epsilon 1 is greater than epsilon 2, we can say the E1 is lesser than E2. E1 is less than E2 means the electric field density in medium 1 is lesser than electric field density at medium 2. Now, if the electric field lines density are lesser in medium 1, that means the resistance of field penetration is more in medium 1. Now, the conclusion which we have derived that medium 1 has more resistance of field penetration was derived from the information that epsilon 1 is greater than epsilon 2. So, we can say that permittivity is the quantitative measure of the resistance of electric field penetration. Thank you everyone for watching this video.